kitty. Yeah, that's you. You're a silly kitty. Snoring Sappy cat, who's not asleep, is still snoring. Like you see her pretty pink kitty toes. Huh. Let's see him. I see him. There's some kitty toes. Oh, did I disturb your snoring? Sleepy cat. You sure are a pretty girl.